Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Google Digital Garage Skill Shop, and specifically, the fundamentals of digital marketing program. What is the Google Digital Garage Skill Shop? The Google Digital Garage Skill Shop is a free online platform that offers courses on a variety of digital skills, including marketing, coding, and data analytics. The courses are designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience or background. What is the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing Program? The Fundamentals of Digital Marketing Program is a comprehensive course that covers all the essential elements of digital marketing. You'll learn about search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. Why should you learn digital marketing? Digital marketing is essential for any business that wants to succeed in today's digital world. By learning digital marketing, you can develop the skills you need to reach new customers, build brand awareness, and grow your business. How to get started with the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing Program. To get started with the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing Program, simply visit the Google Digital Garage Skill Shop website. You can create an account and start the course right away. The benefits of completing the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing Program. Upon completing the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing Program, you will be awarded a Google Digital Garage certificate. This certificate is a valuable credential that can help you advance your career in digital marketing. Today, our online experience is so much more than just checking emails. From talking to friends and family to doing the weekly food shop, discovering new holiday destinations and researching things to do locally, the online world is very much a part of our daily lives. As the time we spend online increases, so do the digital opportunities available. The online experience is constantly evolving thanks to content creators, businesses, and app developers who are able to find new and innovative ways to help us shop, learn, and connect. So whether you own a business yourself or would like to work for one, now is a great time to jump in and see how you can get involved in the digital world. But where do you start? Right here. Google Digital Garage provides you with a simple way to navigate digital marketing concepts and gain the knowledge you need to feel confident. Whether it's content marketing, online advertising, mobile marketing, or selling products online, we've organized it into bite-sized video lessons and quizzes so that it's easy for you to either pick up new skills or brush up on your existing knowledge. Learn how to build an online business strategy, improve how a website ranks on search engines, and use analytics tools to understand online performance. Whatever your interest, there's a topic here to help you meet your online goals. The digital marketing topics have been created by experts and allow you to learn at your own pace. Take the lessons in chunks or complete multiple topics at once, whenever and wherever you want. And if you'd like to get the most of the course, there's also an option to complete all topics and assessments and be awarded the official Google Digital Garage certification offered in partnership with the Interactive Advertising Bureau. No matter what your skill level is or what you'd like to achieve, Google Digital Garage will help you build your digital marketing skills. Improve how your business performs online, boost your CV, or just jump in to learn something new. Doing business online offers all of these great benefits. Apart from saving money on your heating bills, hey, it can't do everything. Being online lets you reach out to new customers and build better relationships with customers you already have. You can sell locally or globally, or both, and use state-of-the-art analytics to find out what your customers really want and need. In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities for businesses to reach new customers and grow their bottom line. In this video, we'll discuss how digital marketing can help your business succeed even if you're just starting out. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of online channels to reach and engage with customers. This can include anything from creating a website and social media profiles to running paid advertising campaigns. Why is digital marketing important for small businesses? Digital marketing is essential for small businesses because it allows them to reach a wider audience than ever before. It's also a cost-effective way to market your business, as you can target your ads to specific demographics and interests. How to get started with digital marketing. If you're just starting out with digital marketing, there are a few things you need to do. 1. Create a website. Your website is your online storefront, so it's important to make sure it's well designed and informative. 2. Get on social media. Social media is a great way to connect with potential customers and build relationships. 3. Run paid advertising campaigns. Paid advertising can help you reach a wider audience and target your ads to specific demographics. 4. Track your results. It's important to track your results so you can see what's working and what's not. Digital marketing is a powerful tool that can help small businesses succeed. By following the tips in this video, you can start using digital marketing to reach new customers and grow your business. Carl, a 50-year-old mechanic, runs the local garage in a small town and is considering taking his business online. How could going digital benefit his business? By going online, Carl can make his business more visible and use targeted ads to specifically advertise to local people within a certain distance of his garage. He can have conversations with potential customers and get insights into their behavior. Being online wouldn't necessarily reduce the need for customer conversations, as Carl's business involves a lot of face-to-face communication. But it will help people looking for mechanics to find him in the first place. He can modernize his company logo anytime. It's not specifically related to being online. Create a wish list of your digital presence. What components are you already using? What would you like to add? Start writing down your ideas and take the first step towards developing a digital plan. You can use these components. Website. I have a basic website that includes my contact information, services offered, and pricing. Social media. I have accounts on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. I use these platforms to share news and updates about my business, as well as to connect with potential customers and clients. Email marketing. I have an email list of subscribers who have opted in to receive updates from me. I use email marketing to send out newsletters, promotional offers, and special discounts. Components need to add. Paid advertising. I would like to run paid advertising campaigns on Google and social media. This would help me reach a wider audience and target my marketing messages more precisely. Content marketing. I would like to create more blog posts, infographics, and videos to share on my website and social media. This would help me attract new visitors and customers. Webinars. I would like to host webinars on topics related to my business. This would be a great way to educate potential customers and build relationships. Social media advertising. I would like to run social media advertising campaigns to reach a wider audience and target my marketing messages more precisely. The easiest way for visitors to learn about a business while visiting a website is browsing your product pages and reviewing the frequently asked questions page. This is because these pages provide visitors with the most relevant information about your products and services in a way that is easy to understand and navigate. Product pages typically include information about the product's features, benefits, pricing, and availability. They may also include customer reviews, images, and videos. Frequently asked questions, FAQs, pages answer common questions that visitors may have about your products or services. This can help to save visitors time and frustration, and it can also help to improve their understanding of your business. Other ways that visitors can learn about a business while visiting a website include reading the blog. Many businesses use their blogs to share news and updates about their products, services, and industry. This can be a great way to learn about the company's culture and values. Watching videos. Businesses often create videos to demonstrate their products or services or to tell their story. This can be a great way to engage visitors and to help them to understand your business better. Listening to podcasts. Some businesses create podcasts to share their expertise and insights on their industry. This can be a great way to learn about the latest trends and to get to know the people behind the business. By providing visitors with clear and concise information about your business, you can make it easy for them to learn about what you do and how you can help them. This can help to increase website traffic, improve conversion rates, and build relationships with potential customers. Creating a business listing in online local directories is an activity that could be a part of the process of taking a business online when starting out. This is because online local directories are a great way to make your business more visible to potential customers who are searching for businesses like yours in their area. When you create a business listing in an online local directory, you can provide information about your business, such as your name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation. You can also include photos and videos of your business and testimonials from your customers. Online local directories are often ranked highly in search results, so when potential customers search for businesses like yours, your listing may appear in the search results. This can help you to attract new customers and grow your business. Here are some other activities that could be a part of the process of taking a business online when starting out. Create a website. Your website is your online storefront, so it's important to make sure it's well designed and easy to use. Your website should include information about your business, such as your products or services, contact information, and hours of operation. You can also use your website to sell your products or services and to provide customer service. Optimize your website for search engines. Search engine optimization, SEO, can help your website rank higher in search results, which will make it more visible to potential customers. There are a number of things you can do to optimize your website for search engines, such as using relevant keywords and phrases in your website content and creating backlinks to your website from other websites. Use social media. Social media is a great way to connect with potential customers and build relationships. You can use social media to share news and updates about your business, to promote your products or services, and to interact with potential customers. Run paid advertising campaigns. Paid advertising can help you reach a wider audience and target your marketing messages more precisely. You can run paid advertising campaigns on search engines, social media, and other online platforms. By taking these steps, you can take your business online and start reaching new customers. Promoting your business online can be a great way to reach new customers and grow your business. However, before you can get started, it is important to understand how digital channels work, which options are best suited for your business, and how to create a clear plan or strategy that will help you achieve your goals and assess your results. Here are some things to consider when promoting your business online. What are your goals? What do you want to achieve by promoting your business online? Do you want to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales? Who is your target audience? Who are you trying to reach with your online marketing efforts? What are their interests and needs? What channels will you use? There are many different digital channels available, such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing. Which channels will be most effective for reaching your target audience? How will you measure your results? It is important to track your results so that you can see what is working and what is not. What metrics will you use to measure your success? By taking the time to understand these factors, you can create a successful online marketing plan for your business. Here are some additional tips for promoting your business online. Create high-quality content. Your content should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. Use social media effectively. Social media is a great way to connect with your target audience and build relationships. Run paid advertising campaigns. Paid advertising can help you reach a wider audience and target your marketing messages more precisely. Track your results and make adjustments as needed. It is important to track your results so that you can see what is working and what is not. Make adjustments to your plan as needed to improve your results. By following these tips, you can promote your business online and reach new customers. What are your digital goals? Every business has different objectives, so it's important to know exactly what you want to achieve online. This will help you set the right priorities and put your plan into place. Here are some of the ways that digital can help your business. Build relationships with customers. You can use social media to connect with potential and existing customers, share news and updates about your business, and answer questions. Sell products or services online. You can create an online store to sell your products or services, or you can use e-commerce platforms like Amazon or eBay. Reach a wider audience. You can use search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising to reach a wider audience with your website or social media pages. Provide customer service. You can use live chat, email, or social media to provide customer service to your online customers. Once you know your digital goals, you can start to prioritize different online opportunities to help you accomplish them. For example, if you want to build relationships with customers, you might focus on creating social media content and engaging with customers online. If you want to sell products or services online, you might focus on creating an e-commerce store or running paid advertising campaigns. It's also important to measure your progress along the way to make sure you're meeting your objectives. This can be done using analytics tools that track website traffic, social media engagement, and sales. By taking the time to define your digital goals and prioritize your online opportunities, you can use digital to grow your business and reach new customers. In the next few videos, we'll help you plan your digital strategy. We'll look at different ways you can establish a digital presence and explore the different ways to market yourself online. And we'll show you how to measure and improve your digital endeavors.